Assalamu alaikum. So I have been testing macOS Tahoe from last 1 month. Let's talk about the features we first encounter after we install the beta. The macOS Tahoe adopts the new liquid glass material design, and it extends to the control center, to the desktop icons, and to the dock. The menu bar is completely transparent now, so that you can have a full display experience. The control center is more customizable. You can edit controls, so you can add controls from your favorite apps like battery, home. You can add those controls also to the menu bar directly, and you can activate them directly from the menu bar like this. Like this. The liquid glass design extends to the buttons in the macOS also, like this. We have the liquid glass effect to the buttons also. Now let us dig into some more new features inside settings. We have a all new settings called appearance, and we can change the theme. We can make it red, orange, or whatever you like, and we can also change the text highlight color. We can make the widgets and the icons look clear like this. And we have both light and dark mode for each the dark, the tinted, and the default color of the icons. We can make them tinted. Inside wallpaper settings, we can change the style of the lock screen clock. We can also change the weight of the clock. We can customize the folders for the first time. Click on the folders and then go to file and customize folder. Here we can customize the folder. We can change the color of the folder. We can make it blue, yellow, or purple. We can also add the emojis and icons to the folder. Like this. We have all new apps like the contacts, messages. We have the backgrounds like that of the iOS, and all new phone app. And in the meantime, if you liked the video, do consider subscribing my channel to know more about OS 26. Now we will be talking about the Spotlight. There has been a major overhaul to the Spotlight search. The searches include results from across the Mac's entire system. These which include the files, the folders, apps, events, messages, and also the apps from the iPhone through iPhone mirroring. We have the applications. We can search for any application. We can search for any files. And there are actions. There are tons of actions that can be performed on the Spotlight without having to open the app. For example, we can send a message, and there are also quick keys which we can assign to that action. We just need to, for example, I have written a quick key SM to send a message. If I write SM here and enter and hit the enter button, I can write any message. And just select the recipient here, the enter, and the message will be sent without having to open, without a need to open the messages app. So there are other actions like we can create notes, or we can similarly we can send a mail. And the Spotlight also stores the user's clipboard history for keeping track what has been copied and pasted. And if you want to copy it again, you can directly do it from here. Let me know in the comments below which feature of macOS Tahoe did you like. See you soon in the next video. Bye bye.